No, no, no. No, no, text it to him, Michael. Text it to him.
What's up, boys?
Hey, Luke, how you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, good, good. Are we live yet or not yet? 2 minutes?
Not yet.
Okay, Luke, I sent you a text. Some guy won last night, but he didn't take a picture of it or something like that, and he's blowing up my phone. You think we can give? He actually won, but apparently he didn't know we had to take a picture or something. Do you know anything about that?
No, Danny might. I have
He's
no
gonna
idea.
take pictures. If he won his email, I have it on the form that he did or that he filled out, and I sent it to Gabriel and Jericho last night.
Okay, so
They said everybody got their accounts already.
oh, because this guy blew up my phone. His name is Joseph Lee. His YouTube ID number is JL1727. He said that he didn't know he had to take a screenshot to prove later. I don't know.
No, there's no taking a screenshot. Can you tell Michael to text it to me and I'll look into it?
Yeah, I'll just forward it to you.
Okay,
Just
thank
forward
you.
it to you. All right, Luke. I'm gonna start making the videos tonight and tomorrow. Get ready, man.
Alright.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Man, Lions look good, man. Yesterday.
Yeah. This is a good one.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm about to start the stream now.
I see the skyline with a neon glow.
This is a great song, man.
Dreams on the rise where the rivers flow. Chasing the stars with a fearless stride. My funded futures take me worldwide. My funded futures light the way. Breaking through night into brighter days. My funded TV shows the scene. Living my life like a vivid dream. The clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, Luke? Welcome, everybody. Tuesday night Asian session here. Oh my God, what a great! I love that song, Luke. Damn, I love that song.
You like that one?
Damn, I swear to God, I look forward to that song every night, man. What do you think?
Good.
Everybody love that song? Unbelievable. Well, I'll tell you something. Even though it was a Jewish holiday today, Rosh Hashanah, and I thought the market's going to be quiet, man, with their unbelievable patterns, gold got absolutely kabooshed. Oh my God! So I'll tell you something. So by mistake, around 1 o'clock, we realized I had a short position in gold at 36.9850 from last night. Don't ask me how I figure. Michael brought it to my attention. Gold was trading around the 38.18 level, and I was down to about 3,500 whatever dollars, and I said, all right, whatever, an error is an error, no problem. And I didn't even flinch. I said, this gold is going to drop. And holy cow, 2 o'clock, kabooshed. Oh my God, all the way down to 84. I covered, lost a couple $100 on the trade. Better than, right? And then I just traded the gold in and out. Unbelievable. I really got to tell you, I didn't even flinch. But anyway, welcome everybody. Xerox Trades, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. Artan, what's up, Artan? Artan, get down here from crazy California. Let's go. Gold making new lows here. This is the double red short on the gold. But here's the strategies for today. If you see here, you can see how gold Okay, beautiful patterns. The negative MACD here. You can see the negative MACD here. Oh, the negative MACD right here. Am I still live? I think I hit the wrong button. Right, 38.
We got you, Steve.
Okay, 3,800 here. You can see the push up on the negative MACDs, and then you can see the 60-minute time frames on gold. Really, you can see here making the new highs, the non-confirmation. Look at this, 38.24, and gold got all the way cabooshed, almost down more than $40. Unbelievable day, unbelievable day, unbelievable. Plan Zero, how are you? Okay, I expect a slow night here. Gold making new lows. I expect a slow night again because of the Jewish holiday here. But we're here now. Marwa, Youssef, how are you? Ethan, how are you? And again, a big announcement this Thursday. If we get 1,000 people on the My Funded Futures YouTube, 150K core accounts will be given out. 100. That's pretty damn good if you ask me.
Woo.
All right, unbelievable.
Steve,
Unbelievable.
how was your holiday, sir?
Today was a good day. I mean, overall, it was a great day. Some really great patterns in MSTR, Bitcoin, Coinbase, Tesla, what sells, monster short sell divergences. Really great day here. I got to say, we had close to almost 700 at one point last night. And, one of the things I'll tell you, honestly, my phone literally blew up last night. When I got home, so many people reached out to me, thanking me for the gold. Now, obviously, last Thursday night was a complete aberration because the Japanese bonds went completely bat nuts, right? And but overall, I have to say it was a great night. I told people this morning I wouldn't buy gold with your money up here. And I'll tell you, and then when the gold dropped to certain levels, we did take some longs here. But again, let's do it here. Will Trades, how are you? Mikit, how are you? Nicholas Garcia, how are you? Maritime Trader, man, this guy's lucky. Maritime, I want to play the lottery with you, man. Maritime, I think, won like 2 or 3 times here. Unbelievable. Aaron, great job today, Aaron, PDL legend. How are you? The evolutionary Mike with Mike Jacques. Hey, how are you guys? Shaik, great job. Look at so many new people here. All right, so S&P is getting absolutely cabooshed. You saw the news today that Russia kind of, Trump is pissed off at Russia and kind of really saying now that Ukraine should get all their land back and then some. Okay, NASDAQ cabooshed here. And I got to tell you, truthfully, I know we need caboose merchant. I know, I got it. Oh my God, I left it in the garage. I'm going to bring it tomorrow night, the caboose. And I'm going to give it to Denny, caboose and kaboom. And we're going to have some sound added to that, Denny, okay? But I got to tell you, just to be honest with you, that this could be the catalyst to something here. United States and Russia not seeing eye to eye on Ukraine. Can we caboosh gold? Oh, yeah, I think gold is going to get cabooshed, okay? Ken Singleton, how are you? Magnetic Fields. Washnote, where have you been, Washnote? Okay, Washnote. All right, so this pattern here, just now, right before we came on, of course, right when we came on, right here, you can see that the 5-minute time frame reverses to sell. It correlates with the 15, the 30, and the 60. So when you get the push up here at 97, 96 and a half, 97, this is called a double red short. The 5 correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. And, of course, they got cabooshed. Just Penn, how are you? Okay. Ethan, cabooshed. So, again, this could be the catalyst for the market. The S&P futures extremely overbought here. A good friend and I were talking. I got to tell you, there's a good chance, seriously, 5,700. I'm not joking. And then you take the measured move, then from 5,700 add it to 6,700, you're going to 7,750 eventually. Long, short, or caboose. Lonely Trader, hello. Okay, 307. Again, this Friday, this Thursday, okay, and you need to be, those of you who are on my TikTok, on my Instagram and on my YouTube. Okay, if you guys need to be able to be in the My Fund the Futures to sign up here. Okay, all right. If you want to take a scalp long only on gold, all right, a scalp long only, I would switch to micros. I look to get long 88.5 to 91.5, and I would use micros. Okay, on this here. Mahad, how are you, Kabir? All right, yeah, buddy.
Caboose!
Kaboosh!
Right, I just wanted to say it.
That's the cabooshin. So we
You can have all the fun saying caboose.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I love that word. I love when they go down. I got to tell you, I make so much money when the market goes. I love it. I love shorting. Nobody loves shorting more than me. So I'll show you what happened today, right near the end of the day. Look at this. So we're calling shorts all day here. 13 to 16. Here we called a short right here. 16.5 to 19.5. Got cabooshed here. Okay. And then you can see this monster drop here. Now, on this monster drop, when you see gold drop $10, I immediately said, look to short the gold 04.5 up to 07.5. The high was 04.20. And I said, only look to short in this bar. Okay, only look to short in this bar. So when gold traded down, it got up to 04.20, got cabooshed. Here it is again. This is where we started buying gold. Okay, then immediately traded up to 97.80. I was offering 96.80, and I have no idea why they didn't get filled. Look at these S&Ps right back up. Okay, so again, one of the things that is really super important, okay, is to understand that, and then when you get this another push down here to 83, 84, look at the rally. Boom. They rallied 16 points right into the 10 bar. So this is the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame. Again, you need to look at the underlying ETFs here. So if you look at the underlying ETFs, you got the sell on the 15, you got the sell on the 30 right here. So I knew that the first bounce on the 15-minute time frame was a great short. Okay? All right. Let's see here. NASDAQ pushing up here. NASDAQ. All right. If the NASDAQ gets up to like the 30, 50 range, I'll be looking to short it there. All right. Again, gold, if you want to take the long scalp, I would look to use micros here. Okay. Again, a double red short. This is a Lonely Trader. How are you? Emma, Plan Zero. How are you? Well, NASDAQ just dropped 30. I know. It just got cabooshed. Okay. All right. Let's see here. Lonely Trader giveaway man. Okay. Kobe Hall, how are you? You're short from 95.77. Great job, Kobe. Just I would lower your stops. Kabooshed. There's no U in kabooshed. It's Kabooshed. No U. Okay. Hey, Camelo Beltran. Luke is the boss here. How are you? Luke is the boss. Josh, good evening. How are you, Josh? All right. So, Luke, big giveaway on Thursday if we hit 1,000 YouTube viewers on My Funded Futures. Right? I tell you, so many people have been blowing me up, loving My Funded Futures. Just a great firm. Great. And by the way, I just got asked to be on Friday afternoons from 12:30 to 1:30. I'll be on this Friday, okay, on My Funded Futures television from 12:30 to 1:30. So I'm looking forward to that, and maybe even on a Monday or a Wednesday. So we'll see. We'll see here, okay? All right. Thank you, Lonely Trader. Ethan, how are you? David Eller, okay? Now, I'm not a salesperson. No way, David. Absolutely not. I am not a salesperson. You got the wrong guy. I'm not a salesperson. Heather V, okay. Corb, how are you, my brother? All right. Gold mining. I'm telling you, I had some people I told to buy some GLLs today on the lows. They bought some GLLs, okay, around the 17.25. I still think gold is ready to get cabooshed here, okay? But I mean, look at this, beautiful. You're going to get a pop up here. Even if you get, 18, 19, I still think that gold if you look at the gold futures here, all right, I would sell long this gold 92, 90, 92 and a half, 93. Look at this bear flag here. This is a bull flag. This is a bear flag. Okay? All right? All right? You see this bear flag? You're 119 points just from the 10 bar moving average. That's what this is. You see the last sale, 37.92. Here's the, right here, the 10 bar in orange. Okay? Gold is 119 points from the 10 bar weighted moving average. Angry Sushi, how are you? Manit Singh, the Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, thank you. I host a podcast every night at 6 p.m. on my YouTube channel. Look at the gold. Look at the gold. There you go. That's hey, Hugo's on fire here, Luke. Okay.
On fire.
Hugo, right behind me. He took the
mean
long.
Big Hugo?
He just Hugo just took the long on gold. David A. Sir, how are you?
Big
Okay.
man.
Cub. There you go. Kaboom.
Steve, people gotta like the stream, guys. If you're in here getting all these trades from Steve every night, you've got to at least like it, comment, subscribe to the channel, share it with your grandma, your ex-girlfriend, your ex-boyfriend, so you can get some energy flowing. Okay?
Everybody. This is, I tell you, this is, we got about 371. Let's try to get to 700 tonight. Luke's got a little something up his sleeve, I think, tonight. Okay? All right. All right. Good job. Nice trade. Little scalp long on the gold against the trend against the 15. Arton. Good job, Arton. Okay? I would raise your stops, Arton. All right? All right. Luke, so many new people here. I got a photographic memory here. All right. Jay Styles, Noon, Victor Piera. Let's go, Victor. Michael, you missed it. Damn, next trade. Don't worry about it. All right. The felony friendly trader. Okay. I'm purchasing the core eval when I get paid. There you go. There you go, Luke. All right. Hey, guys, I'll tell you now. You know, I host a live stream every day from 9 to 4. And I'll tell you, we absolutely crushed it today. For a day that I thought was going to be very quiet, very slow. We crushed it in Apple. Let me just show you some patterns here because it's slow. And the market doesn't really get going until about 8:30, 8:40 anyway, okay? I want to show you Microsoft here for a second, okay? So first of all, ding, 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 the market opens. And you can see here, Microsoft gaps up here to 514.49, okay? 514.49, okay? And do you see here, okay, what, do you scale in every point on gold? Yeah, sometimes. Depends. Okay? But do you see this gap up here? Where is this stock going with the negative MACD here? This is a clear sell divergence, right? I said I would look to short this. And then when the 30-minute time frame reverses sell, see this Arton right here? Okay? You see this Arton? What do you look to do? Okay, you short every bounce on the 5-minute time frame. So this short happened right here, right around 10 o'clock. Look at this, Arton. Okay, look at this short right here. Look at this absolute Picasso. Look at this monster bear flag. I called shorts above 513. You probably only got a single lot off. Look at this gold or Microsoft 513. Boom, down a buck, right? Then you have what's called the double red short, and then here. Right here at 1250, when the 60-minute reversed to sell right here, the 60-minute reverses to sell right here at 1130. What do you look to do? You short the first bounce on the 5-minute. This is a monster short, 511. You can see it got absolutely cabooshed over $2. Okay, Floyd's Garage, how are you? Okay, all right. Okay, so with that being said, let's see. Did the Nasdaq get up to 30? I don't think so. I don't think Nasdaq got up to 30 here. It could have 29. Nope, 20. I would cancel the Nasdaq. Okay, Roy Trades, how are you? Tran Theo, how are you? Okay, all right. Beautiful short, monster short of Microsoft. Let me show you Nvidia. Nvidia reverses to sell. Okay, on the 60-minute time frame. But look at Nvidia when Nvidia reversed to sell. We came in on the 15. You can see the gap down here, okay? And then it pushed up, really great short. And then the 15 and the 30 reversed to sell right here. Look at the 30. Look at this right here, Arton. Right? You short the first bounce right here, 180.82. And if you look at that short, you can see the 5-minute time frame, the beautiful bear flag right here. Look at this beautiful bear flag right after that. Look at this, 180.82, kaboosh, down $1.40. Absolutely, that's a kabooshin right there. So these patterns are based upon pure mathematics. Again, indicators lag. However, price leads, indicators lag. There goes the gold. Artan, raise your stops. All right, you're not seeing it yet. Okay, almost 400 and less than 200 likes. Let's go. We gotta like this room. Ivy Chuck Roast. Okay, Marone, how are you? I hope I'm saying this right. Okay, and guess what? When you see a pattern like this, these patterns repeat themselves. And then, of course, what happened here when the 60-minute reverses to sell, okay, right here, like around 12:30, you look at the 5-minute time frame, boom, okay, you can see at 12:30, another great short here, another great short, another great short, and another great short. All you have, look at this gold. Look at this gold. Artan, get in there. Okay, Running Man, how are you? Greg Acer, Paulie D. Why'd you get it? There was no way shorting gold. We did not get stopped out once on any trade. Look at this gold, up 4, up 3. Okay, all right. Can't fight the freight train. I disagree. You guys don't know what you're saying. There are buy and sell divergences and positive and negative trends. So, oh my God, look at this gold. Anybody still long the gold? Artan, are you flat or are you still long, Artan? Get in there, Artan. Look at this, Luke, 405 in the first 20 minutes. Let's go. All right, again, this Thursday, if we have 1,000 views on my funded futures, Luke will have a raffle, 150K core accounts. Okay? All right, Artan, I would raise your stop, Artan. Don't drive me crazy. Okay? All right? All right? Oh, later in the day. Paulie D, you got to join my live streams. SKTrading.live. Come on, Paulie D. Okay? Emma Air, how are you? Marwa, Floyd. Okay? Back to the futures. How do you get your name in the raffle? You have to sign up on the link under my funded futures. Luke must have posted it 30 times yesterday. Okay? But that's only for Friday. That's every night we do a raffle, but not the big one. That's going to be on Thursday. Okay, 150K core. Okay, Running Man, how are you? Emma Air, Nicholas Yo. How can I get your studies? You go to sktrading.live. sktrading.live. All my strategies. Let's see here. Nasdaq futures, that's short here, 35 up to 55. 55.60 here. S&Ps, I take a short on the S&Ps. 16.5 up to 20.5, 21.5. Oh my God, Artan. It's Christmas in September, Artan. What are you, crazy? Look at this gold. Okay. Oh my God. Is it caboose for the rest of the prop firm TVs? I don't know what that means. Okay. All right. Oh my God. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. I would just keep raising your stop. Okay. Unknown, how are you? This is TradeStation. I use TradeStation. Yes, I use my TradeStation on my telestrator. Who is Artan? Not Artan. Artan is someone in my YouTube that said he was long gold. Okay. Again, if anybody wants to reach me or text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Okay. Anybody in my community get long the gold? Okay, anybody long the gold here? All right, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, look at this gold. Jesus, Lord God, up 6. Okay, all right, we have 407. Can we do 700 tonight, Luke? Can we? Derek, great job. Can we get 700 people? For those of you who are on my TikTok, again, you need to go to My Funded Futures YouTube in order to participate in the raffle tonight, and Luke will post the link to sign up. Okay, it's a complete raffle. It's not fixed. No nonsense. No BS. No nothing here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here now. Okay. All right. Gold really pushing up here. I probably would take a scalp short on gold, 97.80 up to even 80. Okay, I take a scalp short on the gold if it gets up there. Okay, what else here? All right, I don't know if we're gonna get that or not. Whew. Nasdaq bear flag, S&P's bear flag. S&P's just rallied 5, push down. All right, let's see here if gold can get another push up here. All right, Jip Smith, how are you? Yeah, the stream was frozen just there. Is you using desktop trade station? Are we using a web platform, Michael? I don't even know.
Yeah, we're using...
Blaski, can I get these charts on Novera? No, you get them on sktrading.live. sktrading.live is my website. If you go to my website, sktrading.live, and also you get my live stream every day, you get my member Discord, and you get the ability to get my chart overlay on TradingView. Okay? All right, Scalper, your screen freeze. All right, JL Trading, how are you? Leon Liz, how are you? Okay, all right. You could look to buy back the S&Ps here anywhere between the 16 and a half if you're short on the S&Ps here. NASDAQ, you could look to cover anywhere between the 28 and 35 on the NASDAQ, all right? Gold just penciled up there. Michael, I can't see. You got to move it over. James Womack. I thought you would call me today, James Womack. Again, anybody who wants to reach me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. All right, I canceled the short on the gold here. That was pretty good action. We don't get action like this the first 30 minutes. Normally about 8:40, we get 1 or 2 trades, and then we wait for the Chinese market to open, right? Jay, how are you, Jay? So I'm talking to some investors about building out the closing my gold gap, 3000 gap, Artan. Okay. I hope it gets there for you. Talking to some investors about potentially building out the Trader Cafe in West Palm. Oh my God, I would have goosebumps. Okay, I would have goosebumps building out this trading. We have that chart, have that Traders Cafe in West Palm. Get like 100, 150 of the best traders in that room. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'll tell you that right now. Okay, gold dropping, getting cabooshed, Artan. You got to be careful. Raise your stops. Where is West Palm? In Jupiter, Florida. Okay, Raphael, how are you? Why not Traders Food Court? You can have Traders Food Court. I'm having Traders Cafe. How's that? All right. Can you build it here in Canada, please? No, it's too cold in Canada, and I'm not going to well, I'll keep my opinion to myself. All right. Look at the gold getting cabooshed. What a short. Damn it. What was I, 96.80 or 97.80? Damn it. Jesus, Lord God. Okay. Victor Piera. Oh my God. Victor, come on, Victor. Victor, have we met? I think we met, Victor. Have we? Ethan, Dr. Euro, fading your longs right now. I was calling a short, Dr. Euro. I never got filled, okay? I looked to short the gold at 97.80, and the gold got up to, I think, 97.30, if I'm not mistaken, right here. 97.30. I missed it by 50 cents. So I'm not I was looking for shorts. Okay, Mohammed Kabir, how are you? Okay. I think gold's dropping 100 points, okay? So that's just me. Again, those of you who are on my TikTok, you could look to those of you who are on my TikTok, you need to go to My Funded Futures YouTube in order to subscribe for the game, the raffle tonight. Okay, Michael, I can't see. Okay, all right. West Palm Beach is east coast of Florida. That's correct. Okay, all right. Okay, why is Hugo not decked out in USA gear? Well, I got to get something to fit him. He's gigantic. Okay, first of all, and do you like my USA gear? I wear USA stuff all the time. Okay. Do I think gold is going to drop 100 points tonight? No, I didn't say that. Blaski, how are you? Hit the like button. Come on, guys. Let's get to 500. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Arton is still long. Crazy Arton. Love it. Okay, oil. Great patterns today in oil. I have to tell you. Anybody trade oil here? If you're going to trade the commodities futures or index futures, you really, really, really need to look at the underlying ETFs. Okay. So for tomorrow, if you look here, okay, if you look here for tomorrow, now we have the durable goods orders at 8:30, right? You got the durable goods order. Look here. Look at this. The 30-minute and the 60-minute time frame reverse. Look at these negative MACDs. Any rally tomorrow, I say short the world. Okay? I say short the world. Josh, how are you? Josh Aru. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Magnetic fields. I only buy gas for traction. John Womack, the second time you said unbelievable. All right. Let's go. 500. Let's go. And we need some likes. We need some likes here. Okay. We need some likes here. All right. NASDAQ just ran about 25. S&P just ran 6. Angel M. Lamry. Hi. How are you, Angel? All right. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see what's going to happen here. We need a caboose. We need action. That was some action today in the gold. Oh, my Lord. Right, guys? My guys in my live stream, it was absolutely insane. Come on, 23 more to 500. Luke, if we get to 700, we do a little extra something. 700, what do you think? Just a little extra something?
I think so. What do you think, Steve?
Yeah, Luke will figure something out.
Yeah,
Extra
we make
700.
it happen?
Yeah.
What are we at?
484. So 116.
All
No,
right,
actually,
still, we got room to run.
no,
Plenty of
200,
room to run.
216. Sorry, 216. So we had a combined about 8,000 people coming in and out last night between my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X, and also my Funded Futures. So, you know, I want to grow this channel on these nights here, literally to 15 to 30,000 people. People in South Korea, people in Indonesia, Singapore, Bali, wherever. Okay, you guys don't understand what an unbelievable opportunity this is to be partnered up with My Funded Futures, how much they really care about you guys and how much they really want you guys to succeed. Luke, phenomenal. Put him on the mantle. Boom. Unbelievable. It's over. Okay? Great person. You know, everybody, Matt, the CEO, everybody wants to really knock this out of the park. And I just got a call today, and I'm going to be on this Friday from 12:30 to 1:30 every Friday on My Funded Futures TV. They wanted me to do 9 to 10:30 or 9:15 to 10:30. I said, I can't. That's the busiest time. I trade everything during that hour and a half. I can't. I'll be trading. They'll be talking to me, and I'll be trading Coinbase, this, that, boom, 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 boom.
No, we want you from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
There you go. There you
A
go.
little break, and then we're back for evening.
Look to cover these S&Ps here, 16.5, 17 if you're short. NASDAQ, look to cover anywhere between the 30 and 38 if you're short on the NASDAQ, okay? Just got cabooshed here, all right? All right, what about Matt? Yeah, I think I'm doing it with Matt. I never met the gentleman. I think I'm doing it with Matt. Marcus told me I'm doing it with Matt, okay? All right, I'm doing it with Matt, okay? But, all right, let's see here. Again, anybody who needs to talk to me, you can give me a call at 914-500-7484, okay? All right. My God, I have never been more bearish in my entire life. On gold, on the index futures, short the world. That's what I say, okay? And SK 24/7, I could do it, you know. I've done it before. Look at this gold drop. Jesus. Look at this gold, 97.30. S&Ps, NASDAQ, Kabooshed. Okay. No, I'm on this. I'm on no. Okay. Anybody short the S&Ps? Matt is a hoot. I'm happy that I can't wait to meet him. Okay. All right. Eli, what? Matt, 1 trade per day, 2 trades per week max. SK. Oh my God. On days like today, even though it was slow, I think we did 70. I think I counted north of 70, 75. Okay. Oh my God. Back to the Futures, the crazy. Right. Yeah, I remember back in those days. All right. Michael Halim, how are you? I'm looking to short gold here. I would not look to short gold here. I think gold can go a little higher before you short it. Okay, I was just looking to short the gold at 97.80. The high was 97.30. Arton, I hope you raise your stops. Arton, not get. Look at these S&Ps drop too. Nasdaq just dropped. Nasdaq just dropped 10. Okay, anybody short the Nasdaq? Put a 1. S&Ps put a 1. If anybody, come on, 3 more to go to 203 to 700. Oh my God. Jeff, great job. Short the S&Ps. I love being short. Look at these 15. You short? Good job. Hugo. Hugo's 2 for 2. Hugo. Love it. Look at this. Good job. Look at all these ones. Good job. Arton. Good job, Arton. Good job. All right. Okay. You know, well, he got stopped on a higher price, though. Okay. All right. Short NASDAQ. Good job. Good job. Way to go, Hugo. See, somebody spelled it right. It wasn't Y-U-G-O. It's U. It's H-U-G-O. All right. Alan M. caught the shorts. Shane Pack. Hello from Australia, mate. It's, what time is it there? 8:30 in the morning? Great, great, great. Now, that's very rare. I got to tell you, we've been doing this now on our 3rd week. It's like moving a glacier to get a short or a long on the NASDAQ or S&P futures. This happened in the first 37 minutes, okay? So that's pretty damn good, okay? All right. Hugo's the man, absolutely. I saw the text, Arton, okay? All right. There you go. Arton, the drinks are on you, Arton. Good job. Love it. No, I'm only kidding. All right. Good job, Arton. Oh, you can't go wrong taking a profit, right? You know, a lot of times people will ask me all the time, and they'll say to me, hey, Stevie, you know, why do you always use baseball analogies in trading? Well, first of all, I love the game of baseball. I don't think there's any difference in playing the game of baseball, for that matter, in trading, right? You need to be consistent. You need to have discipline. You need to be patient. You need to have the passion, right? And you need to have the consistency, discipline, patience, passion, and what's my 5th word? I forgot my 5th one. I'm so tired. Consistency, patience, passion, and what?
Discipline.
Discipline. Yeah, there you go. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I can't take it. Okay, but
You forgot the D.
you got
We
the
know
D.
you got it.
You forgot the D. Consistency,
You got it,
discipline, patience. Consistency, discipline, confidence, patience, and passion. There it is. Okay, how can I forget that? All right. Anyway, with that being said,
Wait, Steve. I got a question for the chat. Is Steve not the man?
let's
If
go.
we all agree that Steve is the man, can we get some?
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Every single night, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern, he's here. I don't know how many ideas every night. Just want to remind everyone, Steve.
Well, I thank my funded futures. This came about an idea in Miami like about a month and a half ago. All right. And I just said, Luke, I start seeing something. I do teaching lessons with people at night, and we just crush it in the overnight. One guy made 2,800, and I'm like, oh my God. I said, Luke, we got to tap into the Asian market here. Okay. I mean, South Korea, Singapore, all the big markets. And, and I said, you got to get the word out because, there's so much opportunities, especially in gold, right? And I mean, oil does absolutely buckus. I mean, the index futures sometimes the index futures in the night session go completely, absolutely bonkers here. Bonkers, right? Okay? All right? Thank you, JL. Thank you very much for the compliment. And thank you for anybody leaving a compliment. I couldn't read every one of them. Okay. It's me, M. Indian. Okay. Unbeatable. Okay. All right. Jay, thank you. Xerox Trades. How are you? All right. So, here's my thinking, right? My thinking is, I look at something and I try to analyze it to where it makes sense and to the point where it can be simplified. So, thank you, Rojan. Okay, and so one of the things that I say to people all the time is, if you could just take a step back and with the volatility in the markets, try to make $500 a day. That's it, $500 a day. Okay, and you have 5 accounts. That's $55,000 a month. After you pass your eval, you're coming on with about 44 to 48,000, depending on whatever plan and whatever, right? So that doesn't suck, right? That doesn't suck. Jay, you were supposed to call me about this Traders Cafe. You never did. See, I don't forget, Jay. Okay? Again, anybody wants to reach out to me, my number is 914-500-74084. Dr. Euro, I tell you, you wait for the patterns, okay? It's not hard if you don't know what you're doing, okay? It's not hard if you don't know what you're doing, okay? Between gold and the S&Ps, it should be, in my opinion, I'm not cocky, I'm just saying, if you guys don't know my methodology and how we do things here, I'm confident that could be achieved, okay? I'm confident that could be achieved, all right? Okay. All right, 526, we got 174 more to go. Friend Luke's going to have a little special here. Okay, wow, it's Rosh Hashanah. I'm surprised. I didn't even think we were going to get 500 tonight on the YouTube, but here we are. Okay, new name for Steve, the Ladder King. Oh, my God. I don't know what that means. Okay, Nick, how are you? Exactly. See? There you go. Confidence. It's not hard if you know what you're doing. Okay, I talked to somebody tonight and said, I'm finding it difficult even to make $100. I'm like, I don't know. I mean, $100, even if you did $100 on 5 accounts. And I said, what are you doing? He says, well, I look at candles, I look at this, I look at that, I look at this, bada bing, bada boom. I'm like, oy vey. All right. I want to sell gold at 38.12 and buy now. I think whatever you're on, send me a case, okay? Because I would rather short the hell out of gold, okay? I think gold is gonna get slammed, okay? All right, Victor, how are you? Fiber Splice God, singles every night, singles and doubles. So when I played the game of baseball, I was batted third. I saw the ball like a beach ball. I swear to God. I saw the ball like a beach ball. I got in there. I saw the ball coming. Boom. Always on base. Singles, doubles, and the gap. Whatever. I could hit the ball, but I had a couple home runs, but I was more just wanted to get on base. And for me, trading is about just being consistent. Okay? And hey, Martin! 460 on 13 accounts today. There you go, Martin. Martin, I'm proud of you, Martin. Great job, Martin. Again, when you're part of my community, okay, you learn based upon visualization and repetition the same patterns. Good out, Artan. Good out on the long. Okay, Baba? All right, I don't even know Artan, but I speak to him all the time. Okay? But great out. So, what I'm trying to say is that if you could, Denny, look at Denny, Luke, up another 400. 10 for 10, Denny. Jesus, Denny. Wow. Okay? But if you could just understand the philosophy that if you could really understand divergences, buy and or sell divergences, you've mastered the art of trading. Period. Raphael, 200. Okay? Okay? So, again, one of the most important things for anybody to understand is if you could visualize and see the methodology, after the understanding what the methodology is, then there's a sequence. Okay? Look at this. 700 on 5 accounts. Cabooshed. Look at that. Real Rap, Real Me. What kind of names are they? Can't people just put normal names in here? Really? I'm going to be 63 years old, and I can't even pronounce half these names. Right? Okay?
Yeah, Steve, I'm with you. The names are crazy. Look how simple mine is. Luke. Look how simple yours is. Steve Kalayjian.
Right. Just call me SK, Steve
Denny.
K.
Another
Denny.
easy one.
Look how
Yeah,
easy.
so, yeah.
Denny. Ethan.
Like-
Look at Ethan. Okay? Look at Ethan. We're short at FX. We're short at 3765.
Like, what is a Mandingo? What is a Rosano?
I don't even know.
These
Phil.
names are
Look,
crazy.
Phil. Look at it. American name. Phil. Look at this. Todd Scholes. Look, Oscar. Okay. John Womack. John. Nick. Right? TF. Okay. Is a micros personal account trader account okay here? You can trade micros, of course. No problem. Look at Martin. We got an Arton. We got a Fiber Spice. What is it? Fiber Splice God. What is that? Milton Barrios. Leon. Nice. Okay. Raphael. Gary Beebe. Hey, Gary Beebe, congratulations. You won last night, right? Gary Beebe. What a memory. Johnny Moran. Okay. Look at this. 139 more to 700 on Rosh Hashanah. This could be a record. Oh, Lord, please.
This could be a Rosh Hashanah record.
Rosh Hashanah record. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Damn.
We're I think, if I remember right, Rosh Hashanah is like all about reflection.
Yes.
And I think that's exactly what we're doing tonight. We're reflecting on our habits, our trading psychology, the charts.
Right, exactly. The patterns and understanding. Yes. And if anybody new wants to text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. I go home, I walk my dog, and as you go could attest, and I just stay on the phone for like an hour, text people, call people who text me from the night session, and I meet so many people from all around the world. And it gives me a lot of great joy, and I just love it, and I just want to see all of you do well. And MM Khan, how are you? Gary B. Hendricks walks Steven. Oh, Hendricks pulls me, Gary. Oh my God, this dog doesn't know his own strength, right? Right? Doesn't know his own. He's a moose, and he's got a tongue this big. I'm telling you, they think he's a puppy still. I'm in trouble with this dog. Forget it. Ken Singleton, how are you? Keep sharing it all. Yep. Okay. BB Rich, Nicholas Trito. Hey, I like that name. Now batting, number 17, first baseman. I need a first baseman. Nicholas, how do you say it? Nicholas Triato. Am I saying it right? Triato? Oh my God, I love that name. Look at that. Martin. Okay. Thank you, Martin. Thank you. Where's Emily? Is Emily here tonight? Rita. There you go. Okay, Rita. Okay. All right. So, again, this Thursday night, if we hit 1,000 people on the My Funded Futures YouTube, Luke and My Funded Futures is giving away, that's right, 150K core accounts. That's absolutely insane. Insane. Okay, insane. So, spread the news for Thursday night. We got to hit 1,000 YouTube views on My Funded Futures, not combined. Between mine and My Funded Futures, 1,000. We're 133 away from 700 tonight, and it's Rosh Hashanah. I really didn't think it was going to be like this tonight, really. Okay. Hey, Billy E. You never contacted me, Billy E. Jeff Smith, good job. 570. Let's do it. James K. How are you? Hasme. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Hey, Scotty Dawson. You got to buy more SPXUs and SPXSs here. Scotty actually was going to call you today. All right. Okay. All right. Scotty B. Scott, I'll call. I actually, you know what, Scott? I'll take a picture. I actually have you on my list to call tomorrow. Okay. All right. Okay, Lucky Star, that's not a bad name. Lauren Hawthorne, Lauren, you got to come to my live stream every day from 9 to 4 at SK Trading. Then you'll really, really change, okay? All right. Okay, 140 more. And then Luke will tell you if there's a giveaway and what the giveaway is. Khan. Lauren, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay. All right. So, we got the market, the Chinese market going to open in 10 minutes. So, I'll stay on the sidelines. All right. Mohammed Ma, how are you? Okay. 559. Come on. 141. Come on, Hugo. Am I Armenian? Yes. I'm half Armenian, half Italian. But I love Italian food. Okay. Richard Sabu, how are you? Do I have to pay a monthly fee for eval? I don't do the eval. I trade live capital. No, and I'm trading, and I'm going to start my own family office. Okay. Nicholas, how are you? Pine Tree Trader, what's up, traders? How are you? Alan M. Okay. Okay, JL Trading, there was nothing but great shorts yesterday. Okay? Nothing but great shorts yesterday. The minute I came in, I already knew what the 30 and 60 minute time frames were like. And Eddie Sargent, how are you? If you are on an evaluation account, don't you? I can't read what he said. What's Eddie saying here? I can't read what he's saying, Michael. Don't do minis, you'll blow up. No, I don't agree with that, Eddie. You got to look at the pattern. You got to look at the pattern. Okay, Oni, how are you? How did I know about yesterday's bearish move in gold? Well, because I knew the pattern. Based upon, okay. Oh my God. I'll tell you, Lauren, I want to see you in my live stream. Let's go. I want to see all of you in my live stream. Sudarana, Kumar, how are you? Mantis, Victor Piera, Naomi Garcia. Hey, beautiful name. Naomi Garcia. Beautiful name. Okay. Rosanjo, Eddie Sargent. When should we short gold? When the Chinese market opens. Let's see what the Chinese market does here. Okay. Let's see. Thank God I have no wine tonight. Oof, forget it. I'd be in trouble. Right? That's why I knew it. A scotch I could have handled, but I can't have wine. If I had a wine right now, I would need crutches to hold me up.
Really?
Yeah, I can't have wine. I can't drink wine. I can't drink wine.
Good thing I had two for you.
I'm glad you had. Hugo had 2 monstrous glasses of Brunello. A Brunello. Unbelievable. Was that good wine?
That was excellent.
Good. How much you up so far today?
It's micro $40.
All right. All right.
Micro.
All right. Let's try to get a couple of hundred. All right. Now, this is the most, well, look at this. Everything just froze, like in time. Look at this. Okay. All right. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Okay. So, again, just to give you an understanding of what I do here, we have about 7 minutes before the Tokyo market opens. Basically, I have a live stream every day from 9 to 4. I stream every day. I never leave this office. It's my comfort zone. You can see, right, I'm here. We trade everything from equities, ETFs, stocks, ETFs, stocks, okay, index futures, commodity futures. Diego Scalper, how are you? Jerome Gordon, yes, new. Hey, Jerome, welcome. And, you know, one of the great things about my live stream, you get my member Discord, and you're able to talk to me directly, and you are able, okay, to get my chart overlay on TradingView or TradeStation, okay, if you're trading your own money. And I have traders who trade their own money and do prop firms like My Funded Futures. I have people who have multiple accounts at My Funded Futures. I have people who trade. Jimmy's new here. VWAP, QQQ. Pop up the gold chart. Okay, I'll pop up the gold chart for you. No problem. Let me just put this up here. Let me put the gold chart up here. And one of the things I'll tell you is based upon my research is that, okay, we got the Chinese market opening here. Okay. One of the things I'll tell you that's really super important, okay, is that based upon my research, using the 15 to 30 and the 60-minute time frames, combined with using my indicator 4, you have 3 time frames, 5 conditions, and then you have 10 strategies. That's it. Okay? Okay? All right. So again, Bonita Beach, how are you? Robin Espinal, how are you? All right. So basically what you have is the understanding that all the strategies are based upon divergences, buy and sell divergences, period. Okay? Period. Okay? All right. And I'm telling you, we don't stop here. Our members help each other. You know, a couple of people don't understand how to link the accounts when you're buying more than one, obviously. It really is a great community and everybody helps each other. There's no negativity. Everybody works with each other. All right. And I have to tell you, it is, great moves in gold. Okay. Great moves in gold. All right. Can we get to 600 here? That's 130 to 700. Come on. If we get 700 on Rosh Hashanah, there's going to be a good giveaway here. Luke's going to do something special. Okay. Hello from India. Hello, David. I do stocks. I do not do options, but I teach people options on bigger time frames. Meaning, so when you see bigger patterns, bigger trades, I don't like these DTE options. For that, you just go and trade. How do you say this name? Raisin. How are you? For that, you need to really, really understand. You should be trading futures if that's the case. Okay. You should. I don't like these DTE options, ODT options. Okay. I don't like it. Just trade the futures markets. That's what I say. Okay. All right. Aren't Chinese markets open? 9 o'clock, Aaron. Come on. Aaron. Come on, Aaron. Mantis, how are you? Stephen, have you ever tilted and gambled? I don't know what that means. Am I short on gold? I wouldn't short gold yet. I would wait for this to open. Keats, okay. Am I saying it right? Raisin? I hope I'm saying it right. I can't even see this. Von D, okay. Come on, 581, 119 to go. Come on, Hugo, let's give a push. Hugo wants everybody to get to 700 here. Bob Barker. Bob, you're late to the game, Bob. Okay? You're late to the game. Paw on the mouse. Exactly. Look at this. Look at this shirt I had made up for one of my very good traders in my room. Diane, she's coming to learn. Look at this. I had this shirt made up for her. Okay? All right? Look at this. Pran, I think where's Pran? Can you ask Luke how many? Luke, they want to know how many accounts can you have at My Funded Futures at once, Luke? They're asking.
All right, Luke walked away for just a second, but you can have 5 funded accounts with My Funded Futures.
5. Denny, is that you?
That is me, Steve.
Hey, how are you, buddy?
I'm good. How about you?
Denny, what do you have, 400 for the night?
Yeah, I'm waiting for Chinese market to open and see if we're going to start selling down. I think I might get into a short.
So the most you could have, Pran, is 5. Okay? Is that on evals as well, Denny?
No, you can have up to 10 evals, but if you have 5 sim funded accounts, if you pass those other 5 evals, they go into a dormant state, and once you fail one of the eval or the sim funded, then one of the evals moves up to that sim funded spot.
Wow. Okay. Got it. Everybody hear that? And anybody on TikTok, please come to My Funded Futures YouTube here. Come on, we're 23. Yeah, Luke.
But it would now be a good time for me to unveil to people the mega deal we're running with code SK.
Yeah, let's do it.
We should do it?
Let's do it.
All right, code SK for the man himself, Steve Kalayjian. Any new user who's never been with us before can get 50% off any account.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Here, see, there's more. We don't want to just take care of our new users. If they've been with us before, it's buy one, get one, 25% off.
Wow.
Mix and match. It's as simple as that. I'm going to put a link in the chat. The code is SK for Steve Kalayjian, or Super Cool, as I like to call him.
Super cool. Jesus.
Boom.
Boom! That's a kaboom, baby! Boy, Luke is really happy the Lions won yesterday. He gave Hugo a free account because poor Hugo did something like boo-boo yesterday.
I appreciate it.
He does. Look at that, 50 off on any new users, and what was it, second part? And anybody who's been with us, what happened?
Buy one, get one, 25% off.
Buy one and get the second one 25% off. So
Exactly.
that's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's go, gold. Come on, Chinese market open. All right. So my favorite baseball players, okay, Roberto Clemente, right field, Johnny Bench behind the plate, Pete Rose, third base. Okay, unbelievable. One of the greatest moments of my life, I got to meet Joe DiMaggio. Absolutely true story. Okay, I believe it was in 1995 when my son was born in 99, so maybe 97. I think it was. I met him in Hofstra. Okay, 6:02. Come on, guys, let's do it. So anyway, I go to this event. I want to meet Joe DiMaggio. I buy two beautiful baseballs, Major League balls, and 850. Ethan, good job, Ethan. Ethan, good job. Okay, and next thing I know, Manny, how are you? So anyway, this gold just got kabooshed. So anyway, so I'm waiting online. Make a long story short, after 3 hours, I finally get in front of a person. They examine the ball. Another person examines the ball. Another person examines the ball. Finally, I get to his lawyer. He examines the ball. And then Joe DiMaggio is looking down. And I literally, which one's the big one here? Right, this one here. So anyway, so I scoot down little by little. Finally get in front of Joe DiMaggio. Doesn't even see me, looks down. I hand him, the lawyer hands him the ball. And I said to Joe these words. Joe, just be well, Joe. Just be well. He puts the pen down and he says, who said that? And I said, I did, Joe. He reaches across the table, shakes my hand, puts his hand over my hand and says, that's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me in 50 years. I said, oh my God, you got to be kidding me. Joe DiMaggio just said that to me, right? And his lawyer is smiling at me, signed the ball beautifully, and I gave it to one to my son and one to my daughter. And it's in, boom, it's, yeah, Hank Aaron, of course, you know. But again, that's a great story. A great story. Joe DiMaggio. Okay? Unbelievable. All right? We just hit 600. Okay? We just hit 600. Pete Rose, still the beast. What is that? 4,200, 4,293 hits. Okay? 7 viewers to go to 600. Can we get to 700, Artan? Artan, call your cousins. Come on. Let's go, Artan. Ryan K, let's go. Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed. 98.5. Jesus, 99.5. Damn it. All right. Look at 99. Jesus, just got kabooshed. This gold's going down. Come on, call your cousins, call your grandmother. Made 500 on that, Denny. What a short, Denny. Good job. Denny's up 900, Luke. Look at that. And again, anybody who wants to reach me, you can text me. My cell phone number is 914-500-7484. Okay? Okay? Come on, Artan. Call all your cousins in California. Let's go. Wake them up. I need 114. Let's go to 700. All right. All right, so that's an unbelievable offer. Okay? Unbelievable offer. Any new users, 50% off. Okay, using code SK, and if you're with us, you buy one, you get the other 25% off. That's pretty damn good. My fund of futures. Okay, all right, damn, 600. Chip Smith, call your cousins. Come on, Let's go. All right. All right. Gold under 21 EMA, 7,000 ticks. Okay. I think this gold's a short. Okay. You're watching on 3 devices. And then again, this Thursday night, okay, if we hit 1,000 views on My Fund the Futures YouTube, we will have 100 giveaways of the 50K core account. That's 1 out of every 10. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Granny, hit the like. Let's do it. 6:02, 98 to go. Arton's calling his cousins. All right. All right. They're all in New York City. Well, wake them up. Get them out of Elio's. Get them out of some restaurant, wherever they are. Okay? Okay? You want to short gold at 3,800? Fill the gold. Wakey, wakey. All right. Trade flows. Accounts for everyone. Oh, my God. If you own the firm, maybe you could do that. All right. Let's see what's happened. You're long gold. I'd be very careful here on the gold. S&P, NASDAQ futures just got cabooshed. 1.5, not bad. Look at Arton. Arton may get his 3,800. You're $1.20 away. Look at this. Needs 3,802. Look at this. Arton's all Arton's cousins are at Elio's now on 82nd and 2nd. I love that restaurant. What a restaurant. I used to go there at least 3 times a week when I had my office in New York City. Arton, you ever go to Elio's? On the Upper East Side, 82nd and 2nd. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I knew everybody. I know Elio. There you go, Arton. I would short this gold here. 38. Let's go 38. Probably 01 to 04. I would scalp the short. You probably use micros. Not a clear pattern here. Look at Arton, 3,800. There you go, Arton. Did it hit 3,800? Or I think it might have. Okay. Okay, you just hit it. Okay. 3,802. I like to see shorts over 3,801. Did it just hit 3,800? This gold's going to go. The Chinese market. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see here. What's the high? 3,800 even. Boom. Kaboosh, $1.20. Okay. Eric Meyer, how are you? All right. Look at the NASDAQ. I am looking at the NASDAQ. It's not moving. Good job, FF Trit. Wow, Aaron. 1,600 into... Wow, look at this. You got to be kidding me. 1,600 on 3,000 to cap. Wow, Aaron, great job. Aaron just made 1,600 on a 3,000 eval. Look at that. Look at that. Great job on my funded futures account. Great job. What happened to my stream? What happened here? 612, 80, 88 to go, people. Come on, blast off here. All right. Gold could go to 3,804. I would short the hell out of it. Okay. Did it get up to 01 on the gold? No. 04. Okay. Well, he has to, Johnny Womack, he's 1,600 to 3,000. Okay. Come on, 70, 85 more. Oh, come on. Jesus. Oh, come on. Get up there. Arton, you short? Anybody short at 3,800? Some people want to get short at 3,800. Come on, guys. 86 more to go. All right. So S&Ps and gold doing nothing here. So basically, the NASDAQ futures has a sell disconnect. The 30 and 60-minute time frames are negative. So when the 15 got overbought, it was a beautiful short. Okay. Well, you should have got filled. Javier, good job. Wash note. Artan short. Okay, I think they can go a little higher if he wants to add into that. What's the best night? No, there's no best night. Here we go. 01.5. Short this gold. 01, 02.5. 02.5. 03. Short it, Michael. Short it. 03.5.
Got it. 0310.
Cover 02.5 here.
The field.
There you go.
2.5.
Good job. Look at that. Wow. Why higher? Because it's got cell divergence. If you're short the gold, look to cover below 02.5. Look at it drop. Look at this drop. Look at this drop. See, I was mentally prepared, knowing already. Order filled. Look at this gold. I would lower your stops. Kabooshed. Where's Denny? Wow. Look at that. Ursa, $1,000. Look at that. That's a kabooshed. So, wash note, you got to understand, I already know what I'm thinking based upon the pattern. So, to push up to what, 0380 or whatever, 03.5, I went, short him! Right? Boom. Okay? Gold just dropped 3. Okay? I'm up 1,300 tonight. Good job, Denny. Where's my trade? It's right behind me. Okay? Michael, look at this gold. Anybody short that gold? Up 2,400. Artan, you're buying me dinner when you come to see me next week or whenever. Look at this gold down 4. I hope you shorted it.
I did.
Okay, please. Okay, because I would grab the Johnny Walker Black right now. All right? All right? Good job. What? Mantis is up 500 after being down 1,000. Good job. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Bull trap. Please don't talk like that. Well, I can't take those kind of talk, really. It's a non-confirmation. Look at this goal. Aaron, tell the world you got short. Aaron, please. Aaron, please. Sir G. Watt. Luke, you see that drop? Oh, my God. Pran. Where's
Steve,
Pran?
Steve.
Yeah, buddy.
I saw it, but I don't even need to see it. You say it, I know what's happening. How about that?
Oh, my God. Hey, Pran, did you short Pran, the gold? You're holding... Ryan K., I would lower your stops, Ryan K. Okay? Aaron up 520. I took 520.
And Steve, we're going to go ahead and put that link in the chat, too, to give away some accounts.
All right, look at Luke. Luke's on fire tonight. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. How many am I short? Am I flat, right?
Yeah, you're flat right now. Man.
Oh, my God. Capital P, another new person. 500. Look at this. It's Christmas in September. Look at this gold. Down 7. Love it. Night over. Oh, my God. Artan, you better get down here. You better book your ticket tonight. Come on, and you can fly first class. All right? All right. Let's see here. Where's my account at here? I lost my account, Michael, on YouTube. I can't see.
Scroll down a little bit.
I can't. I did.
Oh, don't touch it.
Oh, my God. It's Christmas in September. I can't see it. It's gone.
It's frozen, I think.
The stream is frozen. Okay.
No, just your YouTube, not the stream.
Oh, my God. It's a cabooshin. Denny, we got to get you the caboosh logo and everything, Denny. And we got it cabooshed in the kaboom. Okay? Where's Pran? Okay? Mike Jock, Andrew Knapp. Andrew, I will be royally pissed if you did not take that. Pran, did you get that short? Okay, did you get that short? Oh my God! I think my YouTube froze, Luke. Are we still streaming?
Streaming, Steve. We're live for the people.
Okay.
Like Jimmy Kimmel.
How could he?
At it.
How could they bring him back? Disgraceful. Gracias. Forget it. I mean, we had more than 400. This is wrong. We had almost 700. What's going on
Yeah, I
here?
got 600, Steve.
I can see 400 here.
No, it's 6.
It's just 595. Got it.
You're looking at the likes.
This is an absolute kabooshin. Denny, tomorrow we gotta put kaboosha kaboom with the picture of the bull. Actually, I have it. I have to find it, but I'll get it. Erin, how are you, Erin? How you feeling? Look at this gold. Oh my God, that's an absolute kabooshin. $10 and right back up. Look at it, Pran, up 600. Go get him. All right. Can we get 102 more? Arton, can you call your cousins in New York City, please? Tell them to leave the dinner table. Join the stream. Come on, Arton. Enough is enough. Angel. Turn my negative 500 loss into a positive in shorting gold. Good job. Up 2,100 on. Look at this. Up 600. Look at this. It's Christmas in September. Look at this.
Up 8,000 on TikTok.
Who's up 8,000?
Someone on TikTok.
What? Take a picture of that. Somebody on TikTok just made 8 G's. We know where he's. We're going to his house for drinks. All right? We're going to his house for drinks. All right. Unbelievable Joe Santiago. Love that name. Now batting. Right fielder. Number 27. Joe Santiago. Joe, you better be a good hitter. I just put you in right field. Okay? And you better have a cannon for an arm. All right? Bigfoot, let's go it. Come on, guys. 613, 607. Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid? Look at this night. So, I think it was Washnote wanted to know why I was shorting gold, right? So, I already know in my head the sell divergences were in a negative trend. So, the guy who bought gold at 03.5, he jumped. Okay? He jumped. Okay? Christmas party at my place? No. I'm living in Jupiter, Florida. It's beautiful. Look at this gold. I even bought it back a lot. I mean, dopey me. Okay? Dopey me. Aaron, bring out the Johnny Black, baby. That's what I say. Gold. Look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's down to about 26, 24. S&P's hit 18.75, down 4. Okay? Was it you, Washnote? I wanted to know why you wanted to see it go higher, because I wanted to short it. Very simple, right? Okay, 601. Come on, guys. Can we get 99? Come on. Okay, 8,000. That's all. Is it really 8,000? I can't believe it. Send that to me, Michael. Unbelievable. Okay, my long gold now? Not yet. Not yet. You know, the one thing about gold that you got to be really careful about, okay, being up at these levels, monster institutional stop orders that we don't know about, okay? All right? Monster, okay? All right? Come on, guys. Can we get to 700? Because Luke's not going to give away anything if we don't get to 700 here. Come on. Enough is enough. All right? Like Telly Savalas said in Kelly's Heroes, get the underwear off your head. Enough is enough. Right? Okay? Enough is enough. Pran, good job. Look at Pran. So proud of you, Pran. Great job. Unbelievable. All right. Okay. Erin. Arton's up 8,800. Arton, you better fly first class then, Arton. Enough is enough. Okay, Arton? Enough is enough. Okay? I had a nice talk with Arton last night. Okay. Let's see here. Can't wait to do that in my... Guys, it could be done though, man. It could be done. And you guys are saying to me that you can't make 500 a night, 500 in the... So between the pre-market from 8 to 4, 8 hours, 2 hours at night, 10 hours, you can't make $500 between S&Ps, NASDAQ, and gold? Are you bananas? It's crazy. Okay? Come on, guys. 700. I can't see how many people we have here now. 585. We're dropping. Jesus. Come on. Woo. Rome wasn't built in a day. Absolutely not. Oh, that was you, Michael. All right. Let's go. All right. What time is it here? We got 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Look at that, Arton. God bless you. First class tickets. Right from California to Fort Lauderdale. Let's do it. All right. Arton, can you call your... I'm dropping here, Arton. I need your cousins. Come on. 700 what? I need 700 people on the My Funded Futures view here. Michael, you take a picture of the person made 8,000?
Yeah, I posted.
I didn't see it. Where? No, I want you to text it to me. I want to see it. All right. Look at this. New lows here. Anybody still short the NASDAQ or S&Ps from earlier? I want to get to 800 too, Bigfoot. That was unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, we just lost 2 more. How could you guys not want to do this? This is amazing. I love this game. Okay? Still short, JT? God bless you. I would lower your stops, JT. I want to see stop orders take it down to 79. Ooh, that would be amazing for people. Then you buy the crap out of it. Okay? Keith, why didn't you take the short? Okay? Oh, we just gained 1. Come on. You're welcome, Arton. Just do me a favor. Call your cousins and get them out of Elio's. There's a table of like 50. Come on. Let them go. Get them right here. Diego, 790 reverse. I don't know about that. Okay? $10 move in gold. Well, that's common. It could happen. Okay, you got 690. Hey, Norberto! Norberto Sanchez. Look at Norberto Sanchez. Great job, Norberto Sanchez. Norberto Sanchez. Norberto Sanchez. He could play second baseman for the Yankees. Now batting, number 6. Second baseman, Roberto Sanchez. I got a good announcing voice.
You do?
Right? I got a deep voice like that. Somebody told me that once. Nah, I love what I do here. S&Ps, NASDAQ, just got kabooshed. Okay? Roberto, yep, there you go. All right, can we get to freaking 700? Last night we were 23 short. $500 Bigfoot. Look at this. Arton won't make the call to his cousins. They're on dessert, Arton. Just get them out of Elio's. Come on. Enough, Arton. Okay, anyway, I'm just joking around. All right, let's see here. Man, yes, you're still short the NASDAQ trailing stops. Great job. Great job. Great job. Great job. 587. Hey, you know, we haven't done any giveaways here. Luke just gave you a promo. That's it. He didn't do any giveaways. If you guys want some giveaways, I need 700 here. Right, Luke? What do you think? Denny's killing it. Denny's, no way, Bob Barker. You bought a Ferrari from Pete Rose in 1987? I got to hear that story. Text me at 914-500-7484. I love Pete Rose. I met Johnny Bench once, right? So my friend is a big into autograph signing, and he called me up. He said, hey, listen, I know this is a guy you always loved in the past, but I just signed Johnny Bench to do a signing with a bunch of these other guys. You want to come with your son? I go, damn straight. So I met Johnny Bench, and I said, Johnny, this is my son, Stephen. And I said, you know, he wears number 5 for 2 reasons. He says, oh, really, Stephen? Nice very nice to my son. And he said, Stephen, very nice to meet you. And he said, well, tell me, why do you wear number 5? What's the 2 reasons for number 5? And my son said, Joe DiMaggio and Johnny Bench's number. And Pete Rose literally had tears in his eyes. I swear to God, true story. I had goosebumps. I could tell you these crazy stories. I love this shit. Right? I love it. Unbelievable. What's your average trade duration? Well, I don't know. It could be anywhere from 1 minute to 40 minutes. Okay? That's it. You have a Babe Ruth autographed baseball, Gary B? God bless you. I got 2 Joe DiMaggio baseballs. Do I remember my first trade I ever did? Yep. I bought 5 Feb 50 calls, an American can at 2 3/4. That's my first trade I ever did. And I averaged all the way down to like $0.125 over 4 months. And then the stock went from 42 to 55 a week before expiration. My father said to me, are you out? I said, I'm out. He said, let me tell you, he said, when I walked on the floor of the American Stock Exchange, I saw a penny faced up. I made a wish that you wouldn't lose any money. And it was all $3,000 I had. And I made about $4,900 total. I got my $3,000 back plus $1,900. And hey, on the gold, if you want to take a scalp long on the gold, I go 87.5 to 90.5, and I would use micros here, okay? And he said to me, what'd you learn from this? And I said, whenever you have a losing trade, you look for a penny faced up. He goes, no, you idiot. You never average down, okay? You never average down. All right, that's a true story, okay? That's a true story. All right, can we please get to 111? Can we please get to 111? Oh my God, to 700. No, I'm not a Boston guy. I'm from New York. Lonely trader. I'm not visible. Helpful. How are you? PG. We got to get... Oh, Denny, what do we got to do to get to 700 here? Good Lord. How are you guys thinking that you're going to get a 100 giveaway on Thursday night with 1,000? Look at the gold. Look at the gold. I don't like professional basketball. Sorry. The only time I watch basketball, I love college basketball. March Madness is one of my favorite. Michael up 600. Good job, Michael. Michael up 600. That's a great job. How's Denny doing tonight? Denny, how you doing tonight, Denny? All right, S&Ps, I would cancel the S&Ps. Gold, I would cancel the buy range. 113. Boom. All right. Unbelievable. What a short. Scout gold, okay. 117. Boy, oh boy. We're fading fast here. All right. Not a bad. Luke, you want to do something here? Couple giveaways here. We're shy of the 700. We're dropping quick. 124. Look at this.
All right. 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
We'll have it ready.
We'll have it ready. You got to remember, you got to go to My Funded Futures to sign up for the link. That means everybody made it on 300 accounts. What? 583. Denny, we got to get this up to 700, Denny. Come on. I'm standing here for the last 2 hours. Jay, of course gold got caboose, Jay. There was nothing but sell divergences off the 30 and 60 minute time frames. You crazy? Look at this. Look at this. Gold pushed up here into the, look at this. What are you, crazy? Into these negative MACDs. Here's the 30. Here's the 60. What do you, look at this. Are you absolute? This guy jumped at 03. I saw 03 and a halves. 0360 is the high. Forget about it. Do I get tired standing for 2 hours? No. Okay. I told our time to call his cousins. He won't do it. Okay? AJ, how are you, AJ? That's beautiful. Thank you for the words, AJ. Am I saying it right, AJ? Thank you. Call college teacher? What does that mean? All right. S&Ps. Michael, I don't see the guy from TikTok. You never sent it to me. Let's go. Well, today gold. What did gold get down to? 84 today on that push down.
Earlier today?
Yeah. No, don't worry about it. I just thought you know. Don't have to. If anybody wants to reach out to me again, okay. No, I was not in the. I remember those days. Sure, I remember those. Xerox Trades. How are you? Oh, ZX Trades. Sorry. Dan Trades.
Yeah, 80.
Bensonhurst. What part of New York were you from? I was from Westchester County, Katona, New York. Okay. Santana Nasdaq. Beautiful. Made his bread. Good job. Ryan K. You know, anybody who knows me from the past, okay? All right? Okay? Please text me here at 914-500-7484. 86 more to 700. Come on. Okay? Pran, I'm very short of... Pran, I'm very proud of you. Andrew, Josh, okay? David... Who else was here? And my guys here. Jeff, Josh, Noble, Pac-Man. The guy who bought 3803s, he jumped. Absolutely. Okay? Aaron, great job, Aaron. Hope you're feeling better. All right? Gold, if gold gets down to the, I would use micros only, 87.5 to 90.5 range. Marwa, how are you? Ken Singleton. Bigfoot, come on, guys. We just dropped 12. Let's go. 110. I can't take it no more. Where do you see that, Michael? I don't see that.
It's past already.
No, but you sent me a thing here. I don't see it in the text. Where? I don't see it. Fan club. Oh, I got 8,000 short. Kiefer. Okay, good job. All right. I think the market's going to get hammered. You know, I'll tell you this thing with Russia and Ukraine, this could caboose the market. This could be what we need. Russia and the United States at odds over Ukraine. I'm telling you, it could come out of left field. I've been doing this game for 43 years.
Trump just said NATO should shoot down any Russian aircraft.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
That'll do it.
That'll do it. Papa Trump don't mess around. I'm telling you now. Okay, Papa Trump. And Putin's scared of him because he knows he's unpredictable. I'm telling you. With Biden, he could do whatever he wanted. All right? Come on, guys. Oh, my God. We just lost 2 more people. All right. Jeff, I'll see you here in a couple weeks. Again, if gold drops here, I would switch to micros. Look at that. Boom. 90-20. Okay. Let's see if you got one more push up here on the gold. Gold's down 13 off the highs. The guy, the Coop, can we not talk politics? What did I say? Papa Trump? What did I say? I just said that he's not going to take any nonsense. Okay? All right. When am I going to find out? When Jay calls me. Jay's supposed to call me. He never called me, Jay. No, but seriously, I'm looking to build out a Traders Cafe here in West Palm. And hopefully that gets the approval, hopefully within a week or 2. Okay? All right. Thank you, Lonely Trader. Thank you. Okay, I'll be scaling into longs here. Micros, again, if you want to scale into longs, just looking for a push up to get. Look to sell 90.5 to 92 on the gold if you're long. Okay. Raphael. Okay, Shane Papa Trump. Okay. The Abyss. Again, I'd be switching to micros here. All right, NASDAQ, S&P. Look at it, 91. Did you long? Come on, let's go. Out. Let's do it. Okay. Those issues would make gold go up? Not necessarily. Dufari TV, how are you? Again, how about my funded futures? Look at this gold. Look at this gold go up 2. 92 would be 3 here. Almost 3, 92 and a half. Again, I thank my funded futures for Luke for taking his time, okay, to be here. Denny, the best. Luke, the best, okay, JL Trading. And thank you for my funded futures for believing in this mission to host this Asian session. I'm here to the end of the year. I'm also going to be on My Funded Futures TV. I need some water. On Fridays from 12:30 to 1:30. Okay. And I'm really, really super excited. 620. Luke, we're 80 away from 700. I think Arton's cousins are coming to the plate. Okay? All right. Luke's talking to me? I don't hear Luke talking to me. Andrew?
If a Luke talks and nobody's there to hear it, did he talk at all?
Exactly. Just past my funded futures account that I won from damn straight. Look at that, Luke. Look at this gold. Look at this gold rally 3.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that gold, baby. I got to tell you, Luke, you know, one of the things I'm really proud of is that so many people, since we started this, has to be a couple thousand people have contacted me between my stream and between my text on WhatsApp and my personal text and say to me, thank you for allowing me to learn about trading gold. I never thought it was possible. And one of the things I'll tell you in my career, don't be fearful of trading a different asset. It's, if I said to you, let's trade water, is that any calmer than trading futures or gold futures, a commodity future? Most of you trade the NASDAQ. I believe truthfully in my heart, I'm not, this is just my own personal opinion, okay? Just my own personal opinion, that I would honestly tell you that if you're someone who's trading a prop account, I would tell you that I think that you should be looking at S&P futures versus trading NASDAQ futures. A lot of people, okay, Michael Pitts, Luke is talking. I don't hear Luke talking.
Can you hear me, Steve?
Now I can hear you.
All right. I got 5 winners. Can I do 5 winners?
Let's do 5 winners.
First 5 of the night. I cut up all the names and printed them out, put them in a hat, picked 5 by random, and they are Edgar, Sums 4, Diego, Ivor, and TD.
There you go.
How's that? Your first 5 of the night. More to come, especially if we get to that 700 mark. I'm going to paste those names into the chat now. Congratulations to all of you who won.
5 people won, and again, you need to sign up in the you got to come to my Funded Futures YouTube in order to sign up. Luke sent the link. Right?
Pick 3 more winners.
Pick
4
3.
more winners.
Let's do 5 more. Make it. I do like odd numbers, but let's just do 5 more.
All right, we have Danny Jones, Hugo, Michael, Steve Kalayjian, and Luke Jacoby.
There you go. Hugo won. Congratulations. Good job, Hugo.
Ooh,
Good job.
back-to-back nights.
Oh my God, Hugo won 2 in a row. No. Denny.
All right,
No.
5 more.
Here's this 5 more. We only kidding. We only kidding on those 5. Come on. Have a sense of
All
humor.
right, we got 2 times. Revenge, Mandingo, Deacon, and Sharo. 5 winners next up. I will put those names in the chat as well. If you won, congratulations. Again, as always, more to come.
Pamela P, how are you? You need to go to the My Funded Futures YouTube in order to sign up and be part of the raffle, okay? Hey, Stephen on TikTok, do you trade gold for the stream? Yes. Or do you also trade NASDAQ? I don't trade NASDAQ. I trade S&Ps during the day, okay? My favorite's the S&P futures, okay? I have to yet win. Well, keep trying, okay? All right. We have 590. Oh, my God. Well, not bad for Rosh Hashanah night, honestly. Gold, I'd be scaling out of longs here, okay? Congrats to the winners. Congrats. Congrats, congrats, congrats. All right, guys, listen. Again, I'm telling you, I'm giving you a heads up. If on Thursday, the goal is to have 1,000 people on the My Funded Futures YouTube, we're averaging anywhere between 8 and 14, 8 and 12, 8 and 15,000 watching tonight, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, X, my YouTube, My Funded Futures YouTube, around the world, people coming in and out. About anywhere between 8 and 15,000. One time we had 18,000, I believe. That's pretty damn good. Okay. Gold just rallied about 4 off the lows here. Okay. Pamela P, how are you? W Playlist, how are you? Blintov. You guys got to come over from TikTok into My Funded Futures and X and my Instagram to come over and sign up for the link. Okay, maybe Luke could post a link one more time. We're going to maybe do a couple more. We got 19 minutes to go here. All right. And I got to tell you, like I said to Luke earlier, you know, Michael Pitts, I hope you got that short in the NASDAQ before. Okay. And everybody who just joined here again, all right, how do you, Steve, if you said my name, how do I claim it? Denny, you want to answer that? Denny, they're asking how to claim the prize.
You don't have to do anything. Your email will be pulled as long as you put the correct My Funded Futures email that is associated with your account. It will be pulled from the form that we received, and it will be sent up. That way you can receive your account within the next 24 hours.
So thank you, Denny. So just to let everybody know, since we started this is our 10th night. My Funded Futures, I'm keeping track here, has given away 300 prop accounts, 350K prop accounts. Is that right? I think we did something yesterday different, right? We did something scales or something like that, scale accounts, okay? But still, 300 free accounts. That's accurate, okay? How many trades do I take? It depends on the volume. Depends on the volatility. It could be, I don't know, anywhere from 30 to 200, 300. Okay, you don't see where to register? Okay, Luke's going to post the link one more time. Yes, if you're a new person and you use the code SK, you get 50% off on a My Funded Futures account. If you're someone that's been with My Funded Futures and you want to get another account, and then the second account is 25% off. Okay, there's the link by Luke. So people from TikTok, any thoughts on Palantir? I think the whole market's going down. So go figure. But I do think Palantir will be a buy a lot lower. Okay, if the S&Ps. Michael Pitts, you should join me on my live stream every day. All of you should be joining me on my live stream every day from 9 to 4. Okay, at sktrading.live. sktrading.live. Okay? All right. 142. The highest we got was 620 tonight. Okay, Sarah. Okay? Will people get the $1 core giver to be able to trade at 50%? I don't know what that means, Dan Trades. Jeff Smith, why not tell everyone once a week? Tell what? Buy one, get one, 25%. I just did it. Good job, Bob Barker. Look at Bob Barker. Get in there, Bob Barker. Bob Barker should be in my live stream every day as well. All of you should be on my live stream every day. Learn my methodology. Learn to be consistent. Learn the strategies. Learn how to trade with multiple time frames. Learn how to identify these strategies and understand the mindset of trading. 43 years in the game. I work with the best of the best in the world. The good Lord has blessed me, and I'm here tonight. And all I want to do is see each and every one of you to be successful. That's it. That's my goal. All of you to be able to be successful. Hugo came from Philadelphia, okay, and he wants to learn in the worst way to help his family. He has a beautiful 2-year-old son, and unbelievable, unbelievable man. Great guy. Love him to death, okay? And there's nothing I wouldn't do if you show the passion that you want to learn, if you show the passion that you want to change your life, if you show me the desire that you really, really want to learn this, I have one phrase to say: look out. Look out. I'll teach you. Okay? I'll teach you. All right? I'll teach you. All right? All right. 532. Okay, we're dropping here. All right. It's people getting tired. Listen, 620 on Rosh Hashanah night. Hey, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Okay? All right? And it was a great night. Not one losing trade here. Okay? Bob Barker just texted me. Good job. Thank you. And anybody here who wants to text me, my cell phone number is 914-500-7484. How can we watch your stream, Stephen? On YouTube? Well, I don't YouTube in the morning. I have my own website. You can go to sktrading.live. sktrading.live. Waiting to retest 37.95 to be short. I think I'm exhausted. I'm going to bed. I'm going to go home, right? Walk Hendrix. Okay, wash my face, brush my teeth, chill out, watch a little Fox, and go to bed. Okay? Been doing this since 7 o'clock this morning. I was here. All right. Let's see here. Okay. Pamela, newbie, loving your... Pamela really joined. I just subscribed to my Friend of Futures, and thank you so much. Pamela, great job. Again, if you like... Oh, look at this double red short. Damn it, I thought we were going to get to 94. Damn it! Just dropped 4 in a double red. Okay, Joshu, how are you? Again, anybody... See, this is called the double red short here on the gold. All right, I was talking here. I thought I was going to get a little bit more of a push up here. We're right into the 10 bar. Look at this gold right here, 93. I was thinking 94. So the 5 went negative. It correlated with the 15, 30, and 60. And there you go. Okay. Okay. Adam B just texted me. Thank you. Thank you. And again, Pat Gahandi, how are you? I'm not going to watch Jimmy Kimmel. What are you kidding me? I'd rather watch the Cartoon Network. What are you, bananas? Forget it. Trade flows. Thank you, Trade flows. How are you? Mohammed Mahar, Gold Treasure. What happened? I don't understand what happened here. Sergeant Wobley in Hawaii. So, Adam B, thank you for the compliment. Great job. Okay. You sold on the 3-minute just now at 93.5. Good job, Wash Note. Good job. Aja, thank you, Aja. Is it AJ or Aja? I hope it's one of the two. Do you have any trades right now? No. No. I want to see if they get a push up. Okay? Okay. Again, I'm so super bearish I can't even begin to tell you here. On index futures and commodity futures. Okay? All right. What do you say, Luke? 5 more, or that's it for the night? We did 10. Luke's watching the Yankee game. What did you do tonight?
Over
All
on
right.
micros.
Okay. Okay. All right. 10 more. Man, you guys are greedy. Luke, they want 10 more, Luke. Luke's watching the Yankee game. Okay, and again, if anybody wants to text me, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Let's see. Who's new here? A Popcore. I can't even read this. If anybody new is in my chat here, please text me at 914-500-7484. Is Luke talking? I can't.
Hear me, Steve?
No, now I can. I think you were off before.
back, baby.
All right. We have about 11 minutes. They want 10 more. I said that's up to Luke, not me.
All right. Do they want 10 more? Do the people want more?
We did 10 tonight, 5 and 5. We're already at 300 in 10 days. That's insane. A lot of
I
people
want
said.
to ask this to the chat. Who's made money tonight? If you've made money tonight, will you please put a 1 in the chat?
Oh, look at this gold. Jesus Christ. Just dropped 6. We didn't have a losing trade. How could you have, there's 2 2s? Eagle like, what do you mean sim trading for free? I don't understand what that means, sim trading for free. All right. S&Ps, I was looking to short them at 94 on the gold. The high is 93.60. It's called a double red short. You scalped the long? Good job. All right. Oh my God, new lows on gold, down 7. Down 6, sorry. Anybody short the gold into the 10 bar? Moving average? Born to lead.
Everyone made money tonight too. I was gonna give free accounts to everyone who didn't make money tonight, but everybody.
Well, there was 2 people who had a 2. I didn't have a losing trade here.
Woo!
Whistleblower lost 5,300. Not me. Gold, I would buy this gold here, 84.5, 87.5. You got to push down. I don't know what Whistleblower was talking about. There's no way in hell. Took my eye off this here.
Say the range again? Gold?
84.5, 87.5. But it's getting late. I'm leaving here in 9 minutes. So
Okay.
gold just ran 2. ATEC 2. Tik 2. Nicholas Garcia 2. You guys lost money in gold tonight. Are you crazy? You lost 270 on the gold drop. I didn't call along, so I don't know what you're on. Okay? I've been calling shorts. And I called 1 long before. And it ran 3. Lean, Lem, Scalper. Yeah, Thursday was wild. Thursday was crazy because the Japanese bonds went completely wild. Okay? Michael made 880. Thank you. Good job, Michael. Lost 5 trillion. Really? Fernando, you should go play somewhere else, Fernando. Really. This is not the place to be if you're gonna joke around like that, Fernando. Sorry. You're dealing with a person 43 years, okay? This ain't romper room, okay? Magnetic Fields 999, great job. I don't like when people do that. Like they think they're funny, you know? Okay. Richard Sanchez is up 1,000. Good job. Good job, Richard Sanchez. All right. NASDAQ just dropped 7. S&P's just dropped 3. Gold, 87, just rallied $3 here on the gold. All right, we got 5 minutes, Luke. What do you want? 8 minutes. Okay. Let's see if this gold can get one more. I would go long this gold, 84.5, 87.5. The 15 is getting deeply oversold. Just rallied 2.5, 3 here. Okay. All right, 550. All right. Hey, I mean, I thought today was really nice. I mean, great trade. Again, that 2110, that 910 pattern. Gold got up to 0360. That guy jumped. Okay? Can you explain that? What do you want me to explain? You just hit the buy gold if it drops. Yeah, I said look to buy gold. I would look to buy gold 84.5 to 87.5. I would scale into that range for gold. What's the problem? I don't get it. All right. Now, if gold doesn't get filled in the next minute or two, I would cancel the buy range. It just shot right up, right here. Okay. Now, on this gold, do you know why I'm taking a long on the gold here? Okay. You're making new lows, and the MACDs are now confirming the low on the 15 right here. That's why it's a buy divergence in a negative trend. Okay. That's why I was calling the long on the gold. All right. Gold, I would just cancel the long, cancel the buy range. Okay. All right. All right, we got 5 minutes to go here. Okay. Sipla, what's up, chat? Sipla, we only got 5 minutes to go. Okay. In Washington, I don't understand what this means. Why? Okay. All right. Gold just ran 4. Does everybody understand? Okay, when gold was making new lows here, the 15-minute MACDs were not confirming. And the deep oversold condition, gold just ran 4 on that. Okay? I'm looking at the chat too much versus the pattern. It's not kabuch. How do you spell this, Ethan? Ethan, are you crazy? Don't ruin my word. Please. S&P's down 5 off the high. It's kaboosh. K-A-B-O-O-O-S-H-E-D. Oh, S&P's crushed. That's it. K-A-B-O-O-S-H-E-D. Okay? All right. So, all right, Luke, we got 4 minutes. Is that it for the night, or are you going to do one more raffle, or that's it? We'll save it for Thursday. We did 10
I
tonight.
think we do another raffle, Steve.
Oh, wow, Luke is in a good mood. How many?
You're hot tonight, Steve.
5 or 10?
How about we do 5 more, and then tell me if you want me to keep going.
Okay, I'll tell you. 5 more raffles tonight. 550K, is it 550K core accounts?
Yes, sir.
550K core accounts. You guys have to sign up in the My Funded Futures YouTube. So if you're in TikTok, you better get over here. Hurry and sign up. Okay, Luke's going to do this in 1 minute. 5. We may go 10. Okay. You guys better, I don't know why we're doing this. We were at 620. All I wanted was 80 more people for 700 on Rosh Hashanah. Would have been a record. But across all of our, we have several thousand here tonight. Okay, Pamela, can you talk about the indicators? Pamela, I'm exhausted. If you want to text me, I'll talk to you on the way home. 914-500-7484. Okay. All right. Let's see here. All right. Stock gift Lions 120. Okay. So many new people here. I have to tell you. Again, every day I stream from 9 to 4 on sktrading.live. Please go to my website. Okay. If you guys want to learn more about my methodology and trading. Okay. Also, if you like to, I have a podcast every single night, The Bull, The Bear, and The Ugly. Okay. You should really be watching that every night to learn about my methodology. Look at this gold. Jesus Christ on the buy divergence. All right. This is the link for everybody to sign up.
I'm putting a link in the chat. The code is SK Sandy Kilo.
Right.
Again, new users 50% off any account. Existing users buy one get one 25% off. It's as simple as that. Code is there. Link is there. Let's make some magic happen.
Let's do it. All right.
All right. Winners. Big winners. We got Dan Trades.
Dan Trades.
DA,
Whoa, there you go. Dan Trades. Who was the second one? Sorry.
Rick DA.
Okay.
Talal. Whirly. And 1690. Those are your next 5.
I remember seeing Dan, I remember seeing Dan Trades. So that's total of 15 for the night.
And then tomorrow's the big night, Steve? Oh,
No, Thursday. Thursday's the big one. 150K core accounts if we have 1,000 people on YouTube, My Fund the Futures YouTube. All right. With that being said, I want to, Luke, thank you so much. Thank you for the commitment. Thank you for the hard work. Denny, thank you so much. Denny's on fire, Luke. 10 for 10. Oh, my God. 10 days in a row winning trades. Unbelievable, Denny. Okay. Again, I thank you, Luke. I know it's been a long day for both of us, and thank you for My Fund of Futures for giving me this opportunity to be here. Again, very, very honored. I'll be on My Fund of Futures TV this Friday from 12:30 to 1:30. And guess what? We're going to do it again tomorrow and again on Thursday. So have a great night, everybody. Remember, God bless you, and most of all, God bless the United States of America. Good night, Luke. Good night, everybody. Have a great one. Great trading tomorrow. Be good.